So, hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil, Discover, Learn and Grow. So, in this particular video, we will be learning about prompt engineering. In the previous video, we have learned about the definitions of AI, generative AI, as well as LLMs, right? So, now we will be learning about prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is nothing but like how efficiently we will be talking with AI so that it will be giving us the efficient and perfect precise answers. So let's go into the definition. So prompt engineering is a technique of designing effective prompts to get accurate, useful and relevant responses from AI like ChatGPT, like GPT I said you right, generative pre-trained transformers. They are nothing but they are used to generate the answers based on the training data. It helps improve AI outputs by providing structured and clear instructions. There are five type of prompt engineering techniques. So prompt engineering is nothing but like designing the effective prompts, designing the effective and efficient prompts, so that AI, artificial intelligence, will be giving us the precise answers, accurate, useful, and relevant responses from AI. So this is all about prompt engineering, like how better you will be asking the questions and how best it will be giving the how better you will be asking the questions and how best it will be giving the answers. That is about prompt engineering. Simple prompt engineering is nothing but like talking with the AI in an efficient and effective way so that it will be giving us the best answer. This is all about prompt engineering, and there are five types of prompt engineering techniques: zero shot prompting, few shot prompting, chain of thought prompting, role based prompting, and prompt chaining. Apart from these prompting techniques, there are also different prompting techniques like style based prompting, bias prompting, self refined prompting, and all are like there are many type of prompting. But I find these five prompting techniques are like okay, the standard, everyone will be using these five types of prompting techniques. So I have selected only these five types of prompting techniques in order to explain you in this video. And from the next video, we'll be jumping into AI tools. I will not be teaching about more prompting tools. I'll be teaching only these five prompting tools, five prompting engineering prompts techniques. So yeah. So first one is zero shot prompting. Zero shot prompting is nothing but like you will be not giving any type of examples. You will be directly asking the questions like, see, you ask a question without giving any examples. You won't give any examples. The AI generates a response based on its training data. You will be directly giving the yeah, you will be directly giving the question. You will be not giving any examples or not following any techniques. Like you'll be asking your teachers questions, right? Like a exam paper, maybe like there will be questions, right? So same like that only you'll be asking the questions like what is product management? What are the different types of product management? Or if you go to filmmaking, like what are the different crafts of filmmaking? And I want to know all the types of film. I want to know the all the crafts of filmmaking. So can you please explain? So it will be general, right? See, explain the importance of storytelling in filmmaking. Oh, sorry, actually, apart from this channel, I had filmmaking channel to learn filmmaking with Nikhil. So I took some filmmaking examples too. So yeah, here the prompt is general, right? Like it does not have any examples or it does not have any advanced techniques. Like we will be talking about advanced techniques too in the upcoming slides, but it does not have any advanced techniques. Like it's a normal technique, like normal question, like how we will be asking to our friends or to our teachers or to our mentors, right? So it is somewhat like that only. So explain the importance of storytelling in filmmaking, general question, and it will be responding like AI will be giving the response or giving the answers based upon its training data. So storytelling in filmmaking helps create emotional connections, build engaging narratives. Vice, it will be giving the response as per the question, general response. Use when you want a general answer without extra details. So zero shot prompting is used in general purposes. If you want to know general answers or general responses, it won't give any extra details. It will be giving only general details. Few shot prompting is like you will be giving some examples. You will be giving some examples and you will be training or guiding the artificial intelligence or a GPT in order to give the response. For example, you provide two, three examples so that AI will understand the pattern before answering. Like it will be understanding the pattern, right? If you give the example, it will be understanding the pattern and it will be answering based upon that pattern only. Coming to zero shot prompting, you will be not giving any example so that it will give general responses. But here you're giving some examples like two, three, four examples, and you make understand AI. Like you will be making understand AI that I want the responses in this pattern in this format only, so that AI can be trained and it will be giving the responses in that pattern only which you want. So I think enough of theory. Now let's go to examples. Translate the following English sentence to French. This is the prompt. And you will be giving two, three examples like hello, how are you is called as bonjour, comment, kaka, vika, something. And thank you very much. You will be giving these two examples like hello, how are you is called as this word, this sentence in French, and thank you very much is called as this sentence in French. So what will be the French word of see you later? So that will be the prompt, and the AI response will be a place starved. That means like French word. It has given us a French word, right? Use when you want to follow a AI. You want AI to follow a specific pattern or style. Like if you give two, three examples, now it will be understanding the pattern. It will understand the pattern. It will be understanding the format, and will be giving the response in that pattern and this in that format only. So this is few shot prompting. Like you will be giving few examples, few shots, so that you can train the AI or you can guide the AI to give the response in that format only or that pattern only. Next one is chain of thought prompting. Encourages the AI to think logically and break down complex problems. It is used for mathematical problems or analysis problems and all. It will be giving the detailed and detailed and logical answers. For example, we will be giving detailed prompt and it will be giving detailed and mathematical answers for you. This is called chain of thought. For example, a farmer has three chickens, two cows, and four goats. Each chicken has two legs, each cow has four legs, and each goat has four legs. You have given the prompt. You given your prompt. You are talking. You are interacting with AI in a detailed way. The prompt is very detailed. The response AI has given the response in a detailed way. It has given the response in a mathematical calculation, right? So yeah. So AI will be giving the detailed response for chain of thought prompting. Use when you needed detailed reasoning or step-by-step problem solving. As I said, if you want to do any mathematical calculations and if you want to know every step in a detailed way, you can go for a COT prompting. That is nothing but chain of thought prompting. And next to role-based prompting. Role-based prompting is one of my favorite. And every time I go to ChatGPT or other AI tools like Suno AI, Midjourney, and Humata, Claude AI, Perplexity, any AI tool, if I use any AI tool, role-based prompting is a must for me. I personally love role-based prompting because they see the down sentence, lost sentence. Use when you want expert level insights in a specific field, right? You'll be getting expert level answers. You'll be getting expert level responses if you go with role-based prompting. So in role-based prompting, क्या होता है कि like what will be happening in role-based prompting is like you'll be telling an AI to act as a specific expert, so that AI will be thinking like it will be it will be predicting as that expert. It will be acting as like that expert, and it will be generating answers for us. So yeah, you ask the AI to specific. You ask AI to take on a specific role for a more specialized responses. As I said you before, if we give the role to AI, it will be acting as that particular role, and it will be generating or it will be answering or it will be giving the responses specialized to that role. For example, You are an experienced business analyst. As I said you before, I gave the role before only. Like here, you are an experienced business analyst. I gave the AI a role, like saying that you are a experienced business analyst. So what AI will be thinking, like it will be thinking in the perspective of a business analyst. I have given it some role, right? I gave an act to perform so that it will be thinking as a business analyst only. It will be not thinking in a general perspective. It will be thinking in the business analyst in the perspective of the business analyst, and also it will be thinking in the perspective of experienced business analyst. So yeah, AI will be doing like that. And next I will be giving the task. Explain how to conduct market analysis for a new product. In zero prompting, in a zero shot prompting, kya hoga? Like what is happening in zero shot prompting? I'm not giving any role. I'm just giving the task. Like explain me this karke. I'm giving just a task. I'm not giving any role. So zero shot prompting will be giving us the general responses. But here I'm I'm giving the role. I'm dedicating, not dedicating, I'm delegating. Yeah, I'm delegating a role to AI. I'm giving a particular specific role, experienced business analyst. So AI will be thinking in the perspective of the business analyst, and it will be giving the answer. It will be performing the task which we have given to the AI. So AI response will be as a business analyst. The first step in market analysis is identifying the target audience. So it has tailored the response according to the experienced business analyst role. But in zero shot prompting, it will be giving the general answer. It won't give the it will be giving the broad answer. It will not give the narrow answer. It will not give the answer. It will not give the answer in the business analyst perspective. Zero shot prompting will be giving only the general answer. But in role based prompting, it will be giving from the perspective of the business analyst, or from the perspective of a specific role which we have assigned to AI. As I said you before, it is used when you want a expert level insights in a specific level, specific field. Sorry. So that is about yeah, role based. Next, prompt chaining. Prompt chaining is nothing but like, right? Chain consists of multiple threads. Like your chain consists of multiple threads or multiple particles or multiple items. Same as the chain only. Prompt chaining is nothing but you will be asking questions to AI in multiple questions. Like you will not ask like you will not ask total question in a particular one prompt. You will be breaking down the question into different segments or different parts, and you will be asking the AI to give the answers for each specific particular question. For example, instead of asking for everything in one go, break it into steps. You will be breaking the long question into smaller steps. For example, first question is like list five creative video ideas for a filmmaking YouTube channel. It has given the response, like it has given the five creative video ideas for a YouTube channel. Then you will be asking, okay, now write a script for each video idea. So you'll be breaking the question into smaller steps, smaller chunks, so that AI can perform it more efficiently. Used when you need detailed multi-step responses. So yeah, this is one of the example of role-based. Sorry, yeah, this is one of the example of role-based prompting. In the industry, right? In the industry, actually, many people follow role-based prompting. So I am giving you some more advanced role-based prompting. So in role-based prompting, क्या होगा कि like you will be giving a particular role. You will be assigning or you will be delegating a particular role to the AI. Then you will be saying the task, like what task it has to perform, and you will be giving the guidelines are nothing but instructions or guidelines. You'll be giving particular guidelines or instructions to the AI to perform the task in this particular way only. right? You'll be giving the instructions, guidelines to perform AI in this particular way only, and you'll be giving the data to like on what data it has to perform. करके. For example, let's take this prompt. You are a professional business, you are a professional data analyst. I am a business analyst, data analyst, as well as associate product manager in my I worked as a business analyst, data analyst, and product manager, associate product manager in my first company. After that, I went into films as well as I was into training. So I'm keeping the business analyst and data analyst examples and product management examples also in the future course of videos. So now let's go. You're a professional data analyst. Now we have assigned and role so that AI will be thinking in the perspective of AI will be thinking in the perspective of data analyst only and analyze the sales performance of e-commerce company. You have given the specific task. You have given the specific task after giving the role so that like it will be thinking as a data analyst as well as it will be performing the task from the perspective of the experienced professional data analyst. Now you will be giving the instructions, guidelines using the provided data set. You will be giving a data set. Follow these guidelines. What are the guidelines? Identify key trends. Identify key trends. Compare monthly revenue. Highlight any anomalies. Anomalies is nothing but duplicate. See, for example, you gave a role and you asked the ChatGPT or some AI to perform an e-commerce company data analysis, analysis of sales performance of an e-commerce. So uh, it does the task, but on what things it has to perform the analysis, it get confused, right? So that you have to give the instructions or analysis. I want to perform analysis only on this particular things in this particular trends. Compare monthly revenue. I don't want yearly revenue. I want monthly revenue. I want only key trends. I don't want overall trends, all trends. I want only key trends as well as compare only monthly revenue, not overall revenue, overall yearly revenue, and highlight any anomalies. Don't do profits revenue. Just to do only don't analyze profits or losses. Just to analyze only particular things in my analysis. करके I am giving some instructions, some guidelines so that it will be working more efficiently, working on those particular things, right? So this is how you will be giving the guidelines or instructions to the AI, and you will be giving the data. Like the data set includes columns for months, and you will be giving the data of a particular data set. It is optional, but if you give data, it will work more efficiently. Present your insights in a structured report format. So this response helps the AI generate a precise and well structured responses, right? So yeah, uh, this is the reason why I personally like role based prompting. Why? Because you will be giving you'll be assigning a particular role to the AI so that it will be thinking from the perspective of that role, and it will be performing the tasks. And if you give the instructions and data, it will be working more precisely and it will be giving us precise and accurate results, responses. So this is all about prompt engineering. And from the next video, we will be directly jumping into tools. Thank you guys.